Come, mentu, the old can know amity. It is our soil, the Ason in Tamianco. Was it? Oh, I'm from Menton from
Still not to make
Patrick C. Demati. Good morning.
Bacho, how far?
Patrick, how to say?
No, I don't.
How for breakfast and I know perhaps we'll free. Mambezi ya pupuama. I know puzzle.
Mini.
If we di uti yo.
You know I don't eat in the morning. Mini.
Mati.
We had me quite few.
Mati.
Mini.
Mati.
Na. Me would say.
Oh, nyami adom.
Yeah, fine.
Mati say Chelsea player. Kaso so the Chelsea so na the Manchester so. Obviously it's Manchester United they're bigger. Me so okay.
Yes, we need to direct
Andres Santos akwa no mpa o. Onimbo mpa. So otutu kwa bobo bibiri. So what I say? Oba owura ye dey owura talent was hey. Charlie. Say Timbu was say. So sad debate today now is settled. Settled.
Ghana choke you.
Oba Chelsea no. O na say akwanye no.
What is the dream club?
My players don't make it to where
Akwemi fi South America ko Saudi Arabia. Friend say Ali Tifak.
Okay.
O say Tifak in the dream club. Tifak in reach in it. The Ben also there is a boy.
We need a Ben who dream this over about Tifak. Players omo kan no grab back.
Teleprompters in him now. All can that is okay. I mean I think say
of course.
They are United for be penisi be a couple of seasons. No one be a legend. Brazil for have not had good success when it comes to midfielders at United. Okay, Fred. Edu maybe because I'm a friend Apostle Fred. But started kama. Yeah. It didn't really end well. Casemiro was the twilight of his career by Manchester United. So I'm sure that for United fans, they won't care about player because now United is the best club in the world. But really, so it's me by United. Not born now. Me who is all ball with the Brazil under 23 side or the captain. You're afraid to call the Brazilian national team. Some of us said there was no way Brazil will have proper midfield control without Andres Santos. PSA World Cup squad now Ancelotti the Coelho. If he plays that football at Manchester United for 2 seasons, I'm telling you, Rich, more than boy. I'm telling you, because Andre is a good player. And I think that I like the way Ineos have done the 2 midfield job. They made the only me. And you make club cry and I say, yeah, the papa, I'll tell you about it. Because Ineos so said Tottenham for now could talk Matheus Fernandes for £85 million. One player. Matheus Fernandes in the West Ham team, he wasn't the best player. Jan Frena Manangwan could work for the Portuguese national team. Look at the midfielders you're afraid for Portuguese national team, apart from Vitinha, João Neves, Simone, and there were other players that are regular. But Matheus Fernandes did not get a shout in the Portuguese national team. But if you are going to buy for 85 million, United for something, no. We can't go and buy Matheus Fernandes alone for 85 million. When we can buy Yuri Tillemans for 35, and then add my friend is saying Andres Santos for 50, 85.
Who is proven?
Into 85 now, we got Matheus Fernandes. Yeah, they are took place. Those all of them
almost all quality.
For Tillemans, like you are saying, or your Premier League proven. And Rich, and you play a beyond a resale value in the 29 or Boboka Kranun Timin Tono. For a club like Manchester United, and ideally those traditional big clubs, for a 29-year-old player, he plays and gives you 3 years. But I 3 years now, he gives United stability. It is a new year. United should be playing it. And you say, yeah, and now I Champions League back. Now next season I coach. Not one more in the Champions League. Not 2 seasons. One about Conference League. Not next season. No, you want stability. See, you know, United is not looking to win the Champions League or looking to win the Premier League necessarily. The plan is stability. But Champions League 2-3 generate the revenue more. Then after say you Tillemans, then you are beginning to bring in younger players who are also quality like Yuri. That is the plan. And I think for me, I 100% do agree with United for no with normally here. Meaning say World Cup in common main in SCD. And no meaning so Jabi Alonso
Interview
with Chelsea for Nhyira.
I did.
Hey, okay, say me way. And on I said one can see me way. Which Shabi was asked about Enzo. Beside Shabi Alonso. Say Oba only Enzo Fernandez a dim commander. Which in that interview, Shabi say yes, we're afraid Enzo need in common. And a journalist no a pussy here. And on beside say that only Enzo didn't come on. What was the input of the conversation? Does Enzo want to stay at Chelsea? Does he want to continue playing for the club Chelsea? Which shall we say for Nkomo only Enzo did need a private. And what am I here?
So I'm disclosing Anna.
Yes.
How person can no interview nazi?
Because Enzo man the green light so person tena. He will disclose.
Everything so catch everything so say ebi o catch and how stay but ye man in kaya.
Granted. Anything that make us say it means that ye man in kaya and it means that in same way chiri me wa. Say Enzo ka say oh metna but we me coach ma catch.
Maybe crowd them ye more work up ni me. Maybe there are one or two issues be like a person is settle and sana.
Then it means that Adjobra will mind.
Sure.
Because for all of us after Madrid ever two more minutes 2 months or more pengs, a lot of Chelsea fans have become a little bit relaxed. Say at least club you need to bet me 120 million for Enzo Fernandez no. Why make us compare? But immediately the coach says that Omenina didn't come out, but I can't disclose the information. That the question was simple: does Enzo want to stay?
Yes or no?
I cannot disclose. It means that Enzo has probably told you like you're saying, oh, me I met na. But me club no one come be a CAD with respect to me wages, me contract extension. And I say me I met na, but me agent ne clubs be didn't come out into yen twen kakra. And I me I met na, but what the yen to we boss kakra. Rich, I don't know. A little bit of a worry about and throughout the whole press conference, that was the only part when they pushed to ask him, Chabi said Ope Enzo and I say yes. He was clear. Say Ope Enzo Fernandez to stay in the club. I think that apart from that, every other thing was irregular. Players players auto who he wants to come in.
James also on Tuasunyan captain. Nicholas Jackson or Johnny Chelsea.
Exactly.
Or pre-season.
Yeah. I mean every other thing was regular.
He said there's someone new sorted
anymore. You should have fast. I see a two attacker. See a correct left winger.
Okay.
Say left winger, right winger when you be brave. Coupon beats my boy, Stava beats my boy, Pedro beats my boy. Left wing gonna see a giant man. So I can't be trash in the car. He giant with the car. There's a cat only your friend is saying Jimmy by not getting this. Also fast.
Hey, get it so was not to place me.
Talking less.
Sanya man is here you never. And a permanent cotia. This Moroccan midfielder.
Yeah.
Brent Buhadi.
Yeah.
Or Lenzi.
Yeah.
No cotia say 100 million.
Yeah. Manchester City.
How?
How is the Uniska?
No, 100 million Kofi Mijitum.
Yeah.
The club now and answer the second club no. Ona 2 million na kutao. So what I say, entili pa ba all price are open.
Yeah.
And I bet, but I think that sometimes
yeah.
Players in the one price tag net down so no. Too much. Too expensive.
Rich, me know ya dream.
Body no. Yes, we World Cup, but World Cup no buying. Dia no be.
Rich.
Well, me do World Cup. And we bought Lens for France.
Yeah, I think about Ren rather.
Is it Ren or Lens?
I think they start Ren or so. Police.
Okay, me check it.
Rich.
It's too much. 100 million.
Me know what ya dream.
And at this time, this our players now. First, they are 100 million. 150 near Cotonou. You won't do that again.
Yeah, as owners, you can't just be buying just because the market.
It's a quality or you can near funnel. So, Andre Santos say, and Kofobiso or your move feature is any problem. You be funnel low key. Yet not sure.
That's an house own pay.
Me can say me pay.
But you don't start here and say,
"Grant me my transfer profile no." Yeah, I'm fair carry catches a massa. Akurano is good. He's very, very good, talented player. 50 yen tono. Yuri Telemans. Chelsea for Adam for Telemans. Edmund Vie. Cha. Let's see. Champions League no bed the rough.
And the money tell him
it is a expensive place like Jaito.
But I think that are you Buadi no? Say you can and you walk up and go and go be and 100 million.
Of course.
Which don't you think say it is just how powerful a tool, how powerful a marketing tool the World Cup is. It is not just for brands.
Yeah.
The way Albehuna brand the way brand A ni din bo say na or go viral brand B. Only say the two technological companies are a sponsor of World Cup no. Bako ne advert or yes FIFA for one ni no was that si ya bobo ni bi aduru baby ni ye foul and say bibisa FIFA should have a replay. No match row as me person about company but start with L.
Okay.
You know why the referee's view that company leading that here. Plus all the screens in all the World Cup stadia was also sponsored by another technological company, only a popular TV producing company. So Timos only are not and also starting with H. No I say okay, this is also it's the marketing. And it's our marketing against Brazil one match, you know. And I'm you body red for it almost no. Yeah in G20, yeah in G30. Because before the World Cup, I feel that in terms of profile, your body is another Matthew Guendouzi. Engine recycle. Nothing, no real progressive. But City for no, they have the
World Cup now. Kasa de okay Kevin Prince Boateng.
Yeah.
Before joining Ghana.
Yeah.
That time the team support what was saying.
Yeah.
Omoka administration.
Yeah.
But after the World Cup, the teams are not chasing Kevin Prince Boateng.
The market.
So I understand
level of the World Cup.
The World Cup level, no. So unya kubobi nkwadiya, it quite different level. But I think that still na anybody.
Oh yeah,
nobody. Leo.
Nobody.
Me checking the club is Leo.
It's Leo.
Yeah. Nobody. 100 million there. Say you better 40, 30, 50.
Yeah.
Level no.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are shenko for binti. Yeah, World Cup na.
30, 40, 50.
30, 40. You say player bia you better 100 no year. Ebia Enzo Fernandez mo. On the anya wa je World Cup no.
Okay.
So, we proving.
Say
Premier League no abo.
Senka, when say Vinicius Junior wanted to also use the World Cup.
Yes, I'm fa. Only as well could delete na ina. Omra say United here.
Oh, he will stay at Madrid. But when say Rich before the World Cup, Vini had a pending contract negotiation with Madrid to increase his wages to I think about 30 million. Now Madrid for no are worried about the fact that Ostatima Vini 30 year, Jude will want to come into 30. Mbappe in and around there. Chiume, like you have all the important players in the club going there. The World Cup did not help Vini. I'm telling you, Vini Nanke was semi-final, final of the World Cup by this time. They would have still been insistent on Madrid because they the club bang apart from Barcelona. And a Vini be peso bakobo. I don't even think he would want to go to Paris Saint-Germain. So, a young boy, my family one example, which only my biggest worry. That when I tasted radio, the first radio and media company that I joined was the biggest. Nhyira FM.
So when you are living,
it's really free focus FM as a young student, I'm buying now. Multimedia Ghana, Nhyira FM. So it is difficult to make decisions. It has to be something really monumental before it helps you to make the next jump. It has to be right. And yes, so what you hope career-wise you are in trouble. 2, finance-wise you can be in trouble, and that is the biggest thing I think Vini is facing. Oh, free Madrid are going.
Manchester United.
Ako ese
Kofi. Tea.
Kamdo ko biya ko da, uni radio biya ko da.
Kofi.
Very there too.
Adi amount the chair yanzi biya. Champion League ajibibri.
That is of course.
Apart from that, then amount the chair. In terms of numbers and supported team.
Na dem bien.
Omo fan chair.
No,
Sika omo ni bin chair.
Dem bien no the chair, but football then erikasa. It's the same.
It's the same. Sika no pay there we can give you money.
No, but Sika.
Na den.
That's the thing because free Brazil buy. What be who Sika no ha.
Eh, ti bajibie. Ye o scan be be
you see,
saa do opera madu ye betu ama ne times 2.
Example na me kano ya no.
Matias here.
Enka ofri ebi Osasuna ne ba Madrid a. Ko huska ke turn abis ka kese. But ofri the enya kra no abeji bozi.
World Cup.
How many times 2 I'm getting there. How many times 2 kra na. It doesn't really do so much for him. And for now, according to Marca, Jose Mourinho has called him and spoken to his entourage, said Madrid for now committed to the extension. They may not be able to meet the exact amount of Vini pay, but he should understand, say they want him to stay. And what we are hearing is that in a matter of weeks, Vini bets a team and friend the football club Real Madrid. And I think that is going to be good for him and then good for the club as well for them to move forward. Rich, the story of the World Cup semi-final of the two European giants, I think say the first one is the other screen, you see. Mbappe versus Lamine Yamal. When Mbappe broke onto the scene, it was at Monaco. And he was so dazzling and marveling to the extent, say, if you are seeing I said, no. This is not a 16, 17-year-old boy, too good. And with Mbappe, it wasn't with Madrid. It wasn't with Barcelona. It wasn't with the traditional big boys, Derby. It was in Monaco. That Monaco team had Timo Bakayoko, Bernardo Silva. He had some very, very good names. That level of the champ. I remember one time, Monaco versus Juve, 2016, 2017, thereabouts, where Mbappe had caught the BBC, Bonucci, Bazzagli, Chiellini, right? Now authorizes senior defenders. That is where, for me, I thought that this man had arrived. But 10 years on, Ballon d'Or Komodo has evaded him to the extent that Dembele has come to win the Ballon d'Or. He hasn't. Now, I'm sure that in the mind of Kylian Mbappe, Sebibi will maybe propelling it to win the Ballon d'Or. He knows that this season, any Real Madrid performance, because Madrid cannot give him that. But the one thing that can really be a springboard for him to win the Ballon d'Or in getting the French national team and winning the World Cup, or at least beat Spain and get to the semi-final. For Lamine, it's not necessarily filling the shoes of Lionel Messi, but he's the new poster boy of Barcelona. And Rich, to be very honest, Barcelona who talent, Papa. I'm telling you, I've seen the likes of Bojan Kekechimo, even when Asumani Fati broke onto the scene. But sometimes, Anna Brabo and life and how it happens to us now, it didn't get these players to where they've got into. Lamine is the new face. And for him to really instill himself, and pretty much press conference on Saturday, pressure 2-on-1 or so. Or say this is the biggest match of his career. And match BN was saying, Saboa, or money France for no Kwakabono. And he wants to play that game. He wants to be successful in that game. Omni France for Kwakabono. He knows that he's going to be very successful. Which the two teams no share in the Euros now saying. Yeah. Where the Spaniards were successful. Mm-hmm. And that's what Lamine said a couple of days ago. Said, Onu says France for with the first teams are Kana and almost Spain. Excuse me, because Omo no Mashomo pay. And Omo are very confident, say they can now go to toe with the team again. Which 37 official games. Unbeaten by the La Fuente and Mantia. And trust me, it's a good team. Any team, you see, forget about the number of goals that they've conceded. They've just conceded 6 chances. 6 chances. Against them. And it is embedded in that style of play. It's a Spain for the bar. It is total control of the ball to the extent that before ball the Babeka Unsano. It is so far in your area, you find it difficult to create chances against them. And that is the strength of the Spanish national team. Which a team or 4 DLPs will be to me at any point in time. Otimibo, Fabian Rey, no about Rodrigo Cascante, Oya, no about Pedri, but with one of them. Then as the game goes on, he can choose not to play Merino as a DLP, but push him up top as the box crasher for him to get goals for them. A lot of Arsenals in that team. And truly, it's a team that you need to be very, very careful of. But I think in terms of completeness, Rich, the French team is more complete in my opinion.
Okay.
Good goalkeeper, decent centre halves, good enough fullbacks, midfield. I think that here in the last few games, Campuno Chimene for whatever reason on Bono, no about Manu Kone. N'Golo Conte has not kicked the ball in the team. One Fred Kamavinga. Fred Eduardo.
N'Golo Conte
to bench. Adrian Rabiot Mune control Fiifi. We are hearing that in this game he's going to play Orient. Then look at the use of the attackers. when he goes on to go and play that game. Then how Abranti friend Kylian Mbappe has been good in this one. So
here's about I don't know. All of a sudden, they are not sharp when you say when you a couple of chances are in Obugu.
Almost style of playing. When you look at Olazabal's chances, he gets, let's say in a game when you have 1 or 2 big chances. Now, almost all the teams, Europeans, I mean, say Spain, for Portugal, and Belgium, they did 2 things defensively. Set up in a mid to compact low block, depending on maybe a ball and at what time in the game that you are playing. Then, because Spain, for one of the biggest threat is finding this man, Dani Olmo, in between the lines. It's Russia against Portugal. The only time the Portuguese will exert pressure is when the ball gets to Dani Olmo in between the lines. Against Belgium, the only time that you see that the Belgians will be aggressive to press is when Dani Olmo gets the ball in between the lines. So, ball call wide to Lamine Yamal. The defensive plan is what we did against the English. 2v1 versus Lamine. It's whoever is the outside center midfielder plus the fullback not come to defend against Lamine. Because Owen himself, the biggest threat of Lamine is when he cuts in onto his strong foot. And it's same for the other side when you play with Alex Baena. Both of them, any of the natural weight keepers. Lamine wants to influence the game and get goals, so he wants to come inside. Alex Baena is a natural winger. So he also wants to create from outward. But he works hard without the ball. And you see that the La Fuente Penasem from Atletico de Madrid, when he is playing the ball, he drops back to come and work in the middle of the park. No more prevent you from breaking through them. So it's a good compact system. Now, so tactical ball, that's what you cover. The French, we are expecting a Luka Digne. No, Paris Saint-Germain for a Luka Digne. Almost about to the Aston Villa. Who will play on the left? Then William Saliba, Upamecano, Jules Koundé. Another back 4 here defensively very resolute. Then you expect to say you have Manu Kone, Adrian Rabiot, Michael Olise, Desire Doué, and a bunch of friends. Rich Unim. Maybe I did the champagne. But if I'm Didier, my game plan is simple. Allow Spain to be Spain.
Bono.
Yeah.
You take your moment. Because only more shit.
Spain ekita bona. The more Kubasi wants to break the lines, the more Emerick Laporte. And mind you, for Spain, almost 2 natural ball playing centre backs. Natural left footer in Emerick Laporte, natural right footer in Pau Kubasi. So they want to naturally express and play the football. Marco Correa wants to do more or less like a wing back or go and help the attack and come back. Then on the other side, you have Pedro Porro, also with pace. They will go and come. For me, that is where the trap is for the Spanish national team. Marco Correa, let them come in. Let Kubasi be constantly on the ball, want to break down the play. Then say, who turn you over possession with William Saliba, Rabiot? Like the first
you find Mbappe. With his speed, no.
That is what he did the same did to Argentina. You see, Rich, who Marcus Rowe number for Marcus Rowe? Homogena Pam, Marcus Rowe, no patch on Mbappe. Then they call in the channels. I think that is, don't open up and make it too pinte for the Spaniards. Don't. Let them be Spain.
Okay.
But set trust for them. Press when it goes to Dani Olmo. Then, of course, go into the channels. I know that the La Fuente will think about that as well. One show be to say Kukurea Mono, he will not ask them to go too much. I feel like maybe in this game, maybe we don't have more of the ball, but he will count on efficiency. If Spain for now are very efficient, no Kitabo on exchange they can convert their chances. The game and the last game on board here 5-4 or soon. I think that was the game. The Spaniards were more efficient. But if they can stop them and then make sure Somunya Bona will go into the channels, for me, my money is on France. I think that it's a much more complete side, a very good side. They have a lot of things in the arsenal to head the Spaniards. Good Spanish side. But in my opinion, I think say Omola stop any. Of course, if it goes any other way and Yamiad Mochina, I will look at why I think that happened. But that is why I think the game is going to go rich. And then Champions League playoff matches in the Honum. Now make catches a Sunday, the boys won some good money. In Tiene, Miyama coach Kakrenko Fikesi na Champions League playoff matches no. Yemma boys think on could chebi no mum first one a BW 62A EFFBD. Second one a BW 62A EE950. Third one a BW 62A ED 883. Fourth one BW 62A EC1BC. Fifth one BW 62A EB887. Rich. These are the codes. I need if you go figure see. I'm on Fiifi Manfred, all social media handles on Savekabi.
Okay. Message be me and Sabina Yemre YouTube.